Well, hello there, folks. Welcome to Barney's Store. Today, Phil, we've got pizza, which this poor man has mistaken for clothes. A bike, which you can ride if you can fix it, and a lovely housewife. Husband to do your kneading. I found him on the streets, and he was willing to give up a carrot stick. Yeah, I named him Jeff. He's all yours. Only all of them for $9.95. That's right, folks. $300. Well, they're all yours. Come down. I don't really know where I'm gonna put it. I just made this up. I just got the camera and started filming. Bye. Come here, you bloody Jeff. People need to buy you. That's my foot.